Hey everyone, Manero here, and in this video, I'm going to reveal what my art challenge and Procreate freebies for the month of July are going to be about. So let's jump right into it. But first I want to say thank you to everyone who participated in last month's challenge. I had a blast seeing all your awesome submissions and the incredible and healthy sense of community you guys keep promoting by liking, sharing, and commenting on other artists' submissions. You can search by the hashtag Manero challenge on Instagram and Twitter, but mostly on Instagram, to check out all the incredible artworks and give their creators some love. If you're not familiar with my challenge of the month, basically I provide you with a free and exclusive Procreate brush every month, a color palette, and an art prompt. The challenge is to draw or paint something based on the prompt, using only the brush and the color palette provided. To join the fun, you can post your art on social media by using the hashtags Manero brushes and Manero challenge, and also make sure to tag me so I and others can see it. Feel free to include this image in your post as well. I will be sharing your awesome creations with my audience. You can find the link to download these freebies in the description below. The prompt for July is opposites intertwined. The idea for this challenge is to take two contrary concepts and put them together in an illustration. For example, for my take on the challenge, I decided to draw a robot sitting on a spot of grass, completely surrounded and covered by overgrown vegetation. In my case, the two concepts I've mixed together are technology and nature. You don't need to do the same two concepts I did. You can come up with your own. Maybe think about fire and ice and transform those two different elements into two characters interacting with each other. I'm sure you can come up with more ideas like this. I used this month's brush for doing a basic sketch of my illustration. I wanted my robot to look cute and cartoony. I drew all the vegetation intertwining with the robot on a separate layer so that I could explore in what ways they could be entangling together. I also included a ladybug and a couple of bees flying around. Once I was happy with my sketch, I lowered its opacity and started inking the final lines on a new layer. I love this month's brush. It doesn't have any pressure sensitivity, meaning that the line thickness is pretty consistent, but it automatically becomes rough and wobbly, which I find super cool, and I think it adds a ton of personality to your lines. I wanted to keep my lines substantially thick for this illustration, so instead of trying to draw a lot of tiny details, I focused on making the overall illustration feel super detailed by drawing a lot of simple elements. For the coloring part, I made use of the selection tool to separate and give color to the different parts of my drawing. I decided to use only flat colors to keep the rendering super simple. I think this style of coloring works great with this type of thick line art. The very limited palette also helps with keeping things tidy and clean, looking very easy and pleasing to the eye. And this is the final result to my own take on the challenge. I really hope you liked this video and that you decide to join the fun. I can't wait to see what you guys will create this month. Of course, if you have any questions after watching this video, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more art-related videos and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to check out my Gumroad page, where you will find the Challenge of the Month freebies and many other brush sets for Procreate that I have available. I'm sure something will suit your artistic needs. All the links are in the description below. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.
Thank you.